It's our 9th episode of Along the Beach, and we're giving you a sneak peek into the newly expanded Watercolor Beach Club. Hey, it's Bill Ullery with Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Beach Properties of Florida. If you don't recognize where I am, I'm standing right in front of the brand new double deck pool at the newly expanded Watercolor Beach Club. Now, if you're not familiar with where the Watercolor Beach Club is, we are right here on 30A, nestled up against the Gulf of Mexico in Santa Rosa Beach. Now, what have they done here with the new Watercolor Beach Club to make it even better than it was before? The recently expanded main pool has seating and lounge areas, a second pool deck with lounge seating, and a third pool with zero entry, all with unobstructed views of the Gulf. Guests also have the opportunity to spoil themselves among a variety of brand new resort dining venues, including Costa Chica, the newly renovated Watercolor Grill, which will also serve the first and second level pool decks, a new fast dining option called the Beach Cow, and of course, the well-known Fish Out of Water. Not only that, but club members and guests can enjoy another popular spot, Camp Watercolor, where you'll find the main butterfly pool with Monarch slide, the Caterpillar Zero Entry Pool, small children's area with slides, and the Lazy Lizard Pool, a zero entry lazy river, adding even more family-friendly outdoor recreation and dining options. Spend a day at Watercolor Beach Club and rent a paddleboard, or simply relax in a chair and let your feet sink down into the white sugar sand. In the evening, gather with family and friends for a front row seat of the sunset and fun in front of a bonfire. As you can tell, Watercolor Beach Club has it all. And it's no wonder I get told all the time by people I talk to, it's their favorite spot on 30A. If you have any questions, you'd like some more information on the Watercolor Beach Club, please don't hesitate to reach out. I'll even include a link below for new home opportunities here in the watercolor community. Now, next month, you do not want to miss. We're going to sit down with a man who, without him, there would be no 30A. That's right, you heard me right. So be looking for that next month. Well, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time on Along the Beach.